And only I spoke exclusively to Jodi Arias after she learned her fate. Arias could now face the death penalty. And moments after learning her verdict, she told me she prefers death over life. Because of her statement, she's been put on suicide watch by Sheriff Joe Arpaio. And here's some of what she had to say to me. A couple of minutes ago, you heard the verdict from the jury. What are your thoughts?
I think I just went blank. I don't know. I just feel overwhelmed. I think I just need to take it a day at a time.
Was it unexpected, you think, this verdict?
It was unexpected for me, yes, because there was no premeditation on my part. I can see how things look that way, but I didn't expect the premeditation. I could see maybe the felony murder because of how the law is written, but I didn't. The whole time I was fairly confident I wouldn't get premeditation because there was no premeditation.
It seemed like some of those jurors didn't believe what you were telling them, didn't believe your story. Mm-hmm. What are your thoughts on that?
I can understand that, I think, because of the lies that I told in the beginning to try to cover up this, cover up that, hide things that I didn't want to be known, made public.
Are you focusing on the court, or are you focusing on what could be the worst outcome for you?
Well, the worst outcome for me would be natural life. I would much rather die sooner than later. Longevity runs in my family, and I don't want to spend the rest of my natural life in one place. You know, I'm pretty healthy, I don't smoke, and I would probably live a long time. So that's not something I'm looking forward to. I said years ago that I'd rather get death than life, and that still is true today. I believe death is the ultimate freedom, so I'd rather just have my freedom as soon as I can get it.
So you're saying you actually prefer getting the death penalty to being in prison for life?
Yes.
The Alexander family, especially the two sisters and the younger brother, if you could say something to them, what would you like to say to them?
I hope that now that a verdict has been rendered, that they're able to find peace, some sense of peace. I don't think they'll ever find the peace that they would like, but maybe they'll be able to have greater peace now, or some semblance of it, and be able to move on with their lives and remember their brother the way they wanted to.
Now, the next phase of the trial begins tomorrow afternoon. If aggravating factors are found, the case moves into a penalty phase where the jury could decide whether or not Arias gets the death penalty. You just heard her say she says she prefers that.